If you've always wanted to start sourdough, but you're scared and you have no idea where to start, you're in the right place because I'm going to share with you my simple sourdough bread routine. So I keep my sourdough starter in my fridge to feed it only when I'm ready to make bread, which is about once a week. And to feed it, all you need is unbleached flour and water. You don't have to measure, just go for a thick pancake-like batter. Now I want to clarify, I'm not making a starter. I have a mature starter, so I don't need to discard. And after about 4 hours, your starter should look bubbly and almost double in size. So now it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm making my bread dough. I'll have the full measurements in the blog post linked below. So just add your filtered water to your sourdough starter, mix that until it's nice and smooth. Then add in your unbleached all-purpose flour. And you cannot forget the salt. I use pink Himalayan salt. One time I forgot it. It's a very tremendous mistake. Don't make the same mistake I did. Mix your dough until it's nice and combined. It'll look very shaggy, and then set it aside. And then throughout the evening, you'll just stretch and fold your bread dough. So you just take the bottom of it and fold it towards the front. You'll want to do probably like 3 stretch and folds throughout your day. So you can do this whenever you have a chance. It could be an hour in between stretch and folds. It could be 30 minutes. It could be 4 hours between. It doesn't matter that much. That's the beauty of sourdough. And as you can see with each stretch and fold, your gluten molecules are getting strong, your bread's looking good. You cover it, you're gonna put it in your fridge overnight. Check out part 2 of this video to learn how to shape and bake your dough next.